Okay, welcome to Blue Bonnet channel, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble and disassemble bed unit and headboard and the base underneath of the mattress, and how to assemble, disassemble, even you never done it before, first timer, even for dummies. Okay, so this is a beautiful piece, headboard and the base, manufacturer Ace in South Korea, um, and when I tried to sell, and I had to find out how to disassemble, and mostly headboard with the body, uh, the foundation is connected through the screws. As you see, these screws is holding together with the base and headboard, and then these two connect to the other side, and this is the legs. So this is a little bit of older type of the bed units, and nowadays I'm going to show you later, it's quite different. Okay, so kind of pillar support the overall, and in order to make it happen, I suggest to use an electrical screwdriver, and it's tougher with manually if you do it, and then and more effective. Okay, and don't get hurt, and follow all the safety instructions, and use your common sense. So this is a fully disassembled with unscrews, but the screw itself is a really big shape, and if you lose it, it's really hard to find. It's not like a standard type, and it's a really big one. So please, when you assemble, disassemble, uh, you get the screw parts, and normally I suggest using the tapes, or using a separate bag and put it inside, and put it in noticeable, or the best way is attached to the board so that you're gonna not gonna lose it. Okay, and this is a base. As you see, the legs, the pillar, 7 units. You support the weight and distribute it through to the floor. Okay. Yeah, metal frame. And typically, connector are as a metal frame, metal hinge. Okay. Um, but when you try to move, actually using the your vehicle, put in a vehicle, unload and load, and it could be a sharp edge and may hurt your body. So if you actually trying to unload, uh, take this all the metal part, this part as well, so that there's no damage during the transportation. Okay, headboard, and it's really heavy wood. The other side, and screw holes. Okay, the labels, um, and I disassemble before shipping out, and screws, metal hinge. So this is a better way of transporting. Okay, so you're not gonna lose it. Okay, see, now it's a flat, so you can unload to your vehicle, um, pickup truck. See the screws. Okay, so this is a different type, more modern, and in US. Um, as you see, the base unit is not like a one giant one that I'm shown just ahead of this video. Uh, that one was like a little bit old traditional type, and this is a fully disassembled, except headboard. Okay, see, this is a pillar and support touching the ground, and want to connect to the headboard. The other one is like a footboard and a metal frame, and it doesn't actually touching the ground. Okay, it's a rail. See, So this is a bridge, kind of bridge, and touching the ground, and it's floating over the ground, the rail, the left and right, but connect to the footboard, and yeah, there's a two screws each, two two and two 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 two, so eight. Okay, another view here. So and this is a floor on top of the assembly, and gonna support mattress on top of this, so wedge distributor, right? And this is the commonly seen if I purchase a furniture bed units from IKEA. So this is a final view, and this is the end of the assembly. So once again, it's not that difficult, and the screws are connecting the unit between unit head, board, and the floor unit, the base unit, and this is a mattress. Okay, so yeah, so this is everything, and don't forget, subscribe my channel, leave your comments, and ask any question if you do have. Hopefully this will help if you're the first time doing this, assemble or disassemble. But as I said, don't get hurt, so follow the instructions and watch out for the sharp objects, and using the right tools. All right, thanks for watching, and see you again next time.